How to increase screen timeout on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, scroll down and go to Auto Lock. As you can see, the Auto Lock is currently set to 1 minute. If you want to increase the screen timeout, then select a longer time from the options. For example, 5 minutes. This means that your phone will auto-lock after 5 minutes of inactivity. You can change the timeout time from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily increase screen timeout on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.